Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss and test the equipment I bought from online shop. This is the UPS. When we say UPS, it's an interruptible power supply. Lagi natin nasa isip yung mga ganito kalalaking UPS. Mabigat. Pag sinaksak mo to sa AC, ang labas niya rin is AC output. Pagka power failure, may maririnig kang papalo dito. Makiklik sa loob and then magbi-beep siya, pero may power pa rin yung computer nyo. This is because there's an internal battery inside this UPS and then this is being charged while the UPS is plugged in to an AC power. Once there's a power interruption, this thing will do, nag-switch na siya to backup power, so you can have enough time to save your work on your computer, or you can properly shut down your computer. So yun yung basic na ginagawa ng UPS natin. This time around, may nabili tayo UPS online. This is a UPS for your internet router. Kung mapapansin nyo, mas maliit siya. This is a 7,200 mAh UPS to supply not AC but DC power. This is used basically acts as an UPS for your internet router. Meron din siyang AC. Explain ko sa inyo later. And ang specs nito is 12 volts DC output. UPS siya for your internet router basically. And then meron din siyang power cord. Inside this equipment, there's a 7,200 milliamps na battery, enough to provide backup power for 12 hours as per the supplier's claim. We haven't tried this and we're not skeptic about it. We can test this equipment kung kaya niya yung 12 hours na magsusupply siya ng power sa internet router natin. The reason why kaya tayo bumili ng UPS for our internet router, because sometimes pagka nagkaroon tayo ng power failure and we're doing something, we're nakakonect tayo sa internet, mobile phone naman yung gamit natin, all of a sudden mamatay yung internet natin. It's because nagkaroon na tayo ng power failure. And then the question is, kailan tayo magkakaroon ulit ng power? No? And pag walang power, wala tayong internet. So what we're doing right now is having a backup power that can deliver a promising 12 hours of power to our internet router without getting disrupted on power failures. Nakakonect ito sa AC, and then ito diretso sa router natin, internet router. Pag ito nakakonect at meron tayong power, nag-charge yung battery nito sa loob. At the same time, habang nag-charge, nag-supply naman ito ng power sa internet router natin. And once nawalan tayo ng power, yung battery nito, yung internal battery nito, mag-kick in para magbigay ng power sa internet router natin, thus surviving the power failure just in case prolonged time yung ating brownout. We still have power and we can still work, and at the same time meron pa rin tayong internet. We'll try to open this, show you ano yung nasa loob nito. As I mentioned a while back, meron tong internal battery para mag-sustain siya ng power during power failure. Yan. Ito yung battery pack niya. As per supplier and manufacturer claim, 7,200 mAh to. Ito-trust na lang natin na 7,200 mAh nga ito, and then probably we can test it kung kaya niya mag-last for 12 hours. But of course, before we do that, syempre, kailangan nating i-charge muna ito. Since kakakuha lang natin from the supplier, no? Kaka-deliver lang. Okay, so hindi na natin ito bubuksan. So basically, nandito yung charging module niya para ma-charge ito. At the same time, switching module para automatic switching module yun, no? Automatic switching module para pagka nawalan ng power sa AC, papalo itong magsi-switch over itong DC, itong ating battery. Ang pagte-testingan natin is an LTE internet router. Ito siya, meron siyang adapter, AC adapter na 12 volts. Yan. AC adapter na 12 volts. Dito natin sasaksak. And reminder, pagka gumagamit tayo nito, ang output nito is 12 volts. So meron tayong, be careful lang, merong mga internet routers ng operating voltage nila is 9 volts and 5 volts. Hindi pwede ito pagka ang equipment, ang router nyo is operating at 9 volts and 5 volts kasi over voltage, masusunog yung equipment. Though, we can tweak this. Pwede tayong maglagay ng in between this. Pwede tayong maglagay ng step down from 12 volts, step down equipment, magiging 9 volts papunta sa router. Same goes to 12 volts, gagawin niyang 5 volts para pwede sa internet router nyo operating at 5 volts. Ito naman nakuha natin, sakto to dun sa 12 volts requirement nito. Since 12 volts to 12 volts output, wala tayong conversion na gagawin or step down na gagawin. Plug and play lang, kukonek lang natin to dyan. Okay? Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung adapter muna. Yan, we plug in the adapter. 12 volts. Power off pa muna. We make sure power off. Power on natin yung AC. And then, let's turn on the equipment. There. So, ito. Meron tong power right now. Pagka nilagyan na natin siya ng UPS, internet router UPS, hindi na natin kakailanganin yun. Since we already have this power supply, at the same time, pwede rin kasi siyang ikabit sa AC. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano. Let's test this. Ito naman ang i-plug natin. Let's turn this off for safety. Plug it in. Turn it on. Should be charging by now. Wala tayong charging indicator, but I think meron tayong nakikitang ilaw sa ilalim, sa loob. Nakikita mo. Yan, meron eh. Merong red doon sa ilalim, but yun lang, ang kinulang dito is walang power indicator na showing na there's power on this box. But sige, magtitiwala na tayo dyan. Let's plug this in. There. Sakto lang siya. And then, power it up. Yan. Okay. So right now, our equipment is working. Yung power galing sa UPS, internet router UPS, and then AC. Let's try to simulate. Yan, kunyari, active yan, and then all of a sudden, brown out. May power kaya? Ito. pagka nag-brown out. Tingnan natin. Okay? Papatayin ko tong AC power. There. As you can see, upon turning off, and basically parang we're simulating a power failure, meron pa rin tayong power. Seamless, no? Hindi siya nag-brown out. Hindi nag-brown out yung internet natin kasi we still have this backup power. Yan. So, first test, working siya. If you're planning to buy this kind of internet UPS, it's working. But, since we haven't charged this device yet, or fully charged, hindi pa natin na-try kung gaano katagal maglalas ito. Turn on ulit natin, nyari nagkaroon ng power. Wala, walang changes. Ganon din naman basically yung yung pinakita ko sa inyong UPS earlier. Yun naman para sa mga desktops yun. And battery is a bit small for that UPS to provide power for a long period of time. So, yung UPS na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, it's just about 10 to 15 minutes or sometimes 5 minutes. Depende kasi yan sa load na ilalagay nyo. Kung yung computer nyo, desktop nyo, is with dual monitor and one desktop, probably 5 minutes lang, ubus na yung UPS power nyo. Yan, ito yung UPS na sinasabi ko. Pang desktop yan, pwede rin monitors, and kung ano pa, pwede rin internet router dito. Pero hindi kasi tumatagal to since may inverter sa loob to para maging 220 volts, meron pang loss. Maliit lang ang battery nito sa loob, supplying, imagine, 300 watts or 600 watts of power. Madali lang madrain yung battery. Lalast lang yon at full load, nasa 5 minutes. Enough for you to save your work on your computer, then turn off your computer properly. As for this UPS internet router, wala nang conversion na nangyari dito. At 12 volts din siya na charge, 12 volts din ang labas niya. Diretso siya 12 volts. And the power consumption of this internet router is about 1 ampere per hour, 1 AH. And then, sabi nga nila, 7,200. Yung 1 ampere, that's the maximum. Probably ito, nag-consume ito ng 500 mAh. So, if we try to maximize the power, in theory, aabot siya ng 12 hours kung sa 7,200 ampere hours or 7,200 milliamps yung ating battery ng UPS. Yan, currently we're charging it. Nagcha-charge tayo. Habang nagcha-charge, meron din siyang supply. Router natin, Globe, Converge, and PLDT. If their power requirement is 12 volts dun sa adapter, then pwede nyong gamitin yan, yung UPS for your internet router. Ano sinasabi ko? So baka sabihin nyo, hindi, 220 yun hindi yung 12 volts. Yes, yung mga adapter nyo is 220. Pag sinaksak mo dyan, 220 yan. Pero ang output nito, hindi naman yan diretsong 220 diretso sa router nyo. So, we have a power supply here, adapter. So, 220, meron yan internal circuit sa loob. Co-convert niya AC, gagawin niyang DC. Tapos, gagawin niyang low level na 12 volts. Yung output na DC na. So, I think this is 1 ampere output or 1.5 ampere output. So, ganun yun. Ang labas nun is 12 volts. Yung iba kasi, we can't blame them Wala talaga silang knowledge dun sa mga adapters, how it works. So, ganun yung basic naman, no? Pag sinabing, yan, tulad nito, 12 volts. Bakit natin sinasak sa 220? Meaning, ito 220 volts. Sa loob nito, internal nito, meron niyang adapter. Gagawin niyang 12 volts. Magiging siyang 12 volts charger. Cha-charge na yung internal battery. Yung 12 volts doon, kukuha siya ng supply papunta dito. Same concept nito. Ang difference lang, there's a battery that is constantly being charged. Hindi naman ma-overcharge yan. Depende yan sa design nila, but probably meron niya automatic charger na pag fully charged will automatically stop, and then ang sinusupply lang niya is solely the internet router. And once magkaroon ng power failure, magki-kick in or magsi-switch over to, sabihin niya, walang kuryente yung battery ang gagamitin natin. So, si-switch niya internally dito na hindi mo mapapansin. Hindi siya mag-brown out. Tignan mo. See? Wala. Hindi namatay. Power on ulit natin. Hindi rin namatay. Maganda rin tong protection, no, for fluctuation of power sa area nyo. Nyari, nag-fluctuate yung power nyo to 20 o 110, to 20, 110, hindi to madadamage. Kasi dito siya kumukuha pagka nagkakaroon ng fluctuation. Isolated siya dun sa problem with fluctuation. Bahala na yung charger niya sa loob kung magka-fluctuate. And low power lang naman yung mga yan, so I don't think it's going to damage the internal charger of your UPS. Okay ba? Ganda, no? Yan, no? Subukan natin. Ngari, nag-brown out. You still have power. Karoon ng kuryente. Untouched. Makakapag-internet pa rin kayo without power. Kasi you have your UPS for your internet router. Yan ang silbi niya. Kung naintindihan niyo siya, I hope meron tayong natutunan with this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next vlog. Goodbye now!